Gonna do some fried catfish today. Gonna start off with some yellow mustard. Got 4 fillets. That mustard gonna help everything bind together. Go ahead and spread that all over. Flip it over. Get that mustard all mixed in. Make sure you don't miss no spots. Now we got some complete seasoning. We're not going to season this very heavy. You don't want to season heavy. You don't want to season it heavy. Follow it up with a little bit of Old Bay. Not too much. Not too much. Make sure you got that all ready. Now the reason why I said we're not going to use too much seasoning because it's right there. It's already seasoned. That mix right there, it's already seasoned. So you don't want to add no extra salt. You don't want that fish to be salty. Add a little AP flour to that. Get that nice and coated. Make sure you get all that in there. Now you might have to add a little bit more, which what I'm going to have to do. I'm going to add just a little bit more flour to that. Just a little bit. Get that all mixed in. My oil is up to temp. Time to add the fish. By these being so big, I was only able to add 2 to my pot. Gonna cook this in batches. Get that one there a little too big. Now I say about 12 minutes since the size of these. Go ahead and give that a little toss. You don't want to walk away. You want to make sure you keep your eyes on this fish. Now we're adding the second batch. Had to cut these in half. But I was able to get all the pieces in at one time. Same thing, about 10, maybe 12 minutes. Look at that. Golden. Crispy. Gotta love it. Get all that out of that pot. Get that oil. Get it off that oil. Now, if you got a wire rack, please use a wire rack. I'm using paper towels. Look at that there. Golden, crispy, delicious catfish. Southern catfish, since I'm from the South. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.